Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are in the community of Sundance Cove in Crosby, Texas. Now Crosby is going to be a little bit outside of the Houston area, probably about 20 to 30 minutes from downtown, but it is close to Atascocita. And if you know about Atascocita, you know that it is booming and has outgrown itself. So it is starting to spill in Crosby. So this is a perfect time to start investing in Crosby. Now this beautiful home that we are viewing is built by Meritage Homes. It is called the Callahan. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It is a little over 1,600 square feet. And guess what? The starting price is going to be around the $250,000 range. Now, if you are a Houstonian and you are looking for maybe a grant program to help you buy a home, this home does qualify for a grant that's up to $150,000. There are going to be some credit and income restrictions with that, but who doesn't want $150,000 off their home? I know I would. If you have any questions regarding this home, this builder, or even any grant or real estate questions, leave a comment below. Oh, and by the way, this home is going to be in Crosby ISD, and all the schools are Crosby Elementary, Crosby Middle School, and Crosby High School. Do me a big favor, hit that like and subscribe to be notified of weekly videos. Enjoy the rest of the tour.